Scored by Niranam Boat Club and the captain KG Abraham. That has emerged winner. You can say that it's an upset win for the other boats. And the second place goes to Devas and the third place to St. George. And then the heat number 5 has started. In the first track, Jawahar Tayangeri, which is number 2, owned by Samudra Boat Club Kumaragam. Arjun M. Satyan is the captain. And in track 19, owned by Boat Club. The captain is number 17 in the third track, Nadubagam, owned by NCDC Boat Club Kumaragam. And then the captain is Narayanan Udayan. And in track number 4, St. Pius 10th, owned by Kumaragam Town Boat Club, that is KTBC, and the captain is Joni Kuruvula. And then about Jawahar Tayagiri, the boat was built by the Rajashilpi of race boats, that is Koil Book Narayanan Ajari. And Jawahar Tayagiri was always the heartthrob of the people of Kuttanad. It has won the Nehru Trophy 5 times earlier, and the club is Samudra Boat Club, and the leading captain is Shuratra Kujumon, and the captain is Arjun M. Satyan. And then, yes, this boat, Jawahar Tayagiri, and after that, Viyapuram. Viyapuram is also a comparatively new boat. Then the famous Nadubhagam Chundan. Nadubhagam rowing in the third track. And about Nadubhagam, holders, they are the holders. Winner in the 2019, that the last boat race held at Punnamada. And Nadubhagam this time is owned by NCDC Boat Club Kumaragam. And Narayanan and Udayan is the captain. And then the year, yes, about Nadubhagam, this is the snake boat into which Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru has jumped. He touched his feet, and he was so much thrilled by the display of Nadubhagam. And that is how he donated the trophy, which earlier was called the Prime Minister's Trophy and later known as Nehru Trophy. And the 90-year-old snake boat Nadubhagam was replaced by the newly constructed snake boat in 2015. In 2015, it was built by Sabu Narayan Ajari. In 2018, it bagged the 4th place. In 2019, Nadubhagam, rowed by PBC or Pallaturthi Boat Club, bagged the Nehru Trophy. It was the CBL crown. It won. That is, Nadubhagam won the CBL crown after emerging winner in 11 races out of a total of 12. And the length of the boat is 53 and 1/4 coal. 87 oarsmen are there. 5 helmsmen or Amerikar are there. 9 Nilakar are there. And the captain of Nadubhagam is Narayanan Udayan. So then St. Pius is also a post to reckon with in recent years. St. Pius. And St. Pius owned by, what an enchanting affair it is. St. Pius, yes, Kumaragam. Yes, it cannot be predicted who will win this race. The Chundan Hisnam, number 5, is as thrilling and enchanting as the final of the finals. Yes, snake boat race, Nadubhagam or Viyapuram or Jawahar Tayagiri or St. Pius, it cannot be predicted. It's an inch by inch fight for the primacy. It is a neck and encounter. Who will win? Yes, 19, number 19, Viyapuram, PBC Punnamada. Yes. Yes, number 17, Nadubhagam is giving a tough fight to Viyapuram. Yes, number 17, yes, it is number 17. Nadubhagam has emerged winner. Nadubhagam holders has